In this video, I will discuss how to name covalent compounds. Here is an overview of all the naming procedures you have learned in Gen Chem 1. In the previous two videos, I presented an overview on how to name ionic compounds. Luckily, learning about covalent compounds is a lot easier. Covalent compounds are usually composed of two nonmetals. Begin by naming the first nonmetal. Depending on how many atoms of this nonmetal are present, you might have to add a numerical prefix to it. I've provided the prefixes here. If there were a single atom of the first nonmetal, you'd be inclined to attach the prefix mono to it. Don't. This is an exception. The mono prefix should not be used on the first nonmetal, but always attach a prefix to the second nonmetal, even if there is a single atom of it. To name the second nonmetal, attach the numerical prefix to the nonmetal's root and attach the suffix I to it. You will notice that this protocol is similar to the non-acidic class of ionic compounds with monatomic anions, except numerical prefixes are added. Here's an example, N2O3. We begin with the first nonmetal, nitrogen. There are two atoms of nitrogen, so we attach the prefix di to nitrogen to make dinitrogen. There are three atoms of oxygen, so we attach the prefix tri to oxygen's root, ox, and stick on the ide suffix. This compound is named dinitrogen trioxide. Another example is ClF5. We begin with the first nonmetal, chlorine. There is a single atom of chlorine, so we'd be inclined to begin the name with mono, but don't. Remember, it is the first nonmetal, so you do not include the mono prefix to it. Simply begin the name with the word chlorine. The second nonmetal is fluorine. There are 5 atoms of fluorine, so we must attach the prefix penta to fluorine's root, fluor, and stick on the ide suffix. This compound is named chlorine pentafluoride. Here is a recap of the naming procedures for covalent compounds, and here is an overview of all the naming procedures you have learned in Gen Chem 1. Thank you for watching this video series.